Kansas City, Missouri's mayor and health director are recommending schools delay the start of classes until after Labor Day. Hello, I'm Laura Moritz.
And I'm Kelly Eckerman. KMBC 9's Emily Hallwick breaks down their concerns and their advice for school leaders.
With coronavirus cases, hospitalizations, and deaths rising in Kansas City.
Those things give us grave concern about our ability to contain the spread with schools being open.
Mayor Quinton Lucas and Health Director Dr. Rex Archer are recommending schools delay their start until after Labor Day.
I think this is largely based off of the best medical information and advice that we have now.
They pointed to data showing risk increases with age and suggested precautions should be taken accordingly.
Social distancing is available for things like seniors and juniors in high school. It's better for us to make sure we're using either better social distancing, virtual classroom environments, etc.
Dr. Archer warned that every school must be prepared for a possible outbreak with virtual learning options.
Entire classrooms, or even potentially an entire building, might have to be home because of the outbreak.
He says delaying the start of classes will also give the city and schools more time to prepare.
If we have huge outbreaks in schools, we've got to have the staff to manage those outbreaks.
Buying us time to make sure we're ready to address all the issues we'll need, particularly as we get to the cold weather months when we might see further spread.
Emily Hallwick, KMBC 9 News.
Now, the recommendation is causing 14 other public school districts and 20 charter schools to look at their plans. KMBC 9's Matt Fleener is live now at the central office of the North Kansas City District. Matt?
Well, Kelly, North Kansas City and all those other school districts that you mentioned, certainly taking into account the mayor's recommendation along with the Kansas City, Missouri Health Department, but we have heard of no changes as of yet. Though for a lot of schools, this is causing them to review plans that have already been announced.
School start dates now in question.
Good morning.
With the Kansas City, Missouri mayor's recommendation to start after Labor Day.
What's most important? Health and safety of kids and staff.
Kenny Southwick represents 30 districts in the Kansas City metro area since March, holding calls with school leaders on both sides of the state line about COVID-19.
The mayor made some recommendations today. It was not a mandate. It was not urging districts to do anything, but it was recommendation to consider as they move forward with the start date of school.
The last few months have been incredibly stressful.
In Kansas, Governor Laura Kelly has already ordered schools to open after Labor Day, a decision now waiting for state board approval. In Missouri, KMBC 9 counted 19 districts already announcing reopening plans with various start dates before Labor Day.
Teachers are concerned, and some are literally scared to death, and I understand that.
Andrea Flinders represents teachers in Kansas City public schools. The district announced Monday it's holding off on in-person classes for now. She also had thoughts on the mayor's recommendations for all schools to start after Labor Day.
Hopefully by then things will calm down, that we will have started to have a downward trend in the number of coronavirus cases.
And there's definitely a process here. After the mayor's recommendations this morning, the superintendents of schools can't necessarily just come out and say, okay, yeah, we're moving the start date. They have to go back to their boards of education. They have to go to their community stakeholders and take new plans to them. And certainly there's a lot of process that's happening right now as we move forward. Matt Fleener, KMBC 9 News.
And many schools are offering remote learning. A local nonprofit is helping families bridge the digital divide. The mission for Connecting for Good is to get computers and internet service to local families at discounted rates. Laptops start at $50. Internet packages start at $15 a month. There are income requirements to qualify. Organizers are seeing about 30 people a week, but they anticipate a big spike leading to the fall.
I see it going up 1,000%, just only because, and I say 1,000 only because we don't know how many people actually don't have devices, and we don't know how many schools actually don't have enough devices for families that are enrolled.
To learn more about the program, go to pcsforpeople.org.
Kansas Governor Laura Kelly's executive order would delay school until after Labor Day. It also requires masks for students and staffers. Today she tweeted, "I'm calling on all persons of influence to use their platforms to support mandatory face masks, social distancing measures, and the executive order." Here are the latest coronavirus numbers. Missouri is reporting more than 1,100 cases since Monday. We'll get an update from Kansas health officials tomorrow. This is a look at the percent of tests that are coming back positive over the past 7 days. It's one of the best ways to see how the virus is currently spreading. In Missouri, 7.5% of tests are coming back positive. In Kansas, 10.8% of tests are coming back positive.